How much does bus insurance cost? There are many kinds of buses: big buses, small buses, buses for business, buses for personal use. How much your insurance costs depends on the size of your bus and what it's used for. Insurance for church buses, scout buses, and other non profit organizations is relatively cheap. If you own one of these vehicles and it fits less than 16 passengers, expect to pay as little as $1,000 per year, maybe less. On the other hand, if your bus is registered for commercial use, your insurance will be more costly. This applies to airport shuttle, tour buses, charter service, and motor coach companies. How much you pay depends on where you live. The average rate for some states can be as low as 4,000 per dollar year. Other states, like New Jersey, can have premium for more than $35,000 per year. Both those numbers are on opposite ends of the spectrum. The 15 state average for commercial 15 passenger bus insurance is $9,420 per year. What determines your rates? Your insurance agent will ask about you and your business to determine your rate. He is looking for certain things: your locations. As far as insurance goes, certain states are cheaper to live in than others. Bus operators who work in predominantly rural areas will see lower costs than those who work in urban areas. How far you drive? Any bus that drives over an interstate route must follow federal rules, which are typically stricter than state laws and require more coverage. They are therefore more expensive. The size of your bus that fit fewer than 16 passengers, are classified different than larger vehicles. Minibuses, bus limos, and small church buses regularly fit into this designation. It's sometimes a smart idea to strip your bus of unused seats to help it qualify for one of those lower classifications. Your age. Insurance companies typically charge more for anyone under 25. If you are older than that, you are in luck. Your rate will be less expensive. Your driving history. The number of accidents you and your drivers have been in will be reflected in your price. Good drivers will obviously be offered a cheaper rate. The value of your vehicle. A large new motor coach is worth more money than an older minibus. This will be reflected in your price. Your business type. Different business face different dangers. A charter service is very different from a party bus service. A tour bus and an airport shuttle cover different areas. There are different risks associated with transporting children versus transporting the elderly. Typically, common carriers and school buses are more expensive in insure than private shuttle and personal vehicle. The average cost of bus insurance coverage. A big fee your bus insurance price is calculated is based on which coverage you get. How here we have given the average price of different coverage. On one end of the spectrum is the insurance for private organizations like churches, scout stops, and bingo parlors with small 15 passenger buses. On the other end of the spectrum is the price for commercial charter service, will big motorcycle. All the coverage and every cost are shown in the screen. How to get a cheaper bus insurance policy? Comparison show insurance companies want your business and they fight they will fight for it. It is smart to pitch insurance agents against one another to compete for your policy. This way, they offer you better coverage at a better price. We make this part simple. Fill out one free form and we'll contact you with three bus insurance agent who will fight to your policy. Get started.